This episode of Builder Dads is how you use a pole saw.
And what do you have in your hand there?
The pole saw.
What kind of pole saw is it?
It's a Japanese pole saw.
And what's the difference between a pole saw and a push saw?
A push saw, you would go, but
Cuts.
a pole saw, you go backward.
So a push saw cuts on the push stroke, and a pole saw cuts on the pull stroke. What's the number one safety rule when using anything in the shop?
Have goggles.
And if we're using something that makes noise,
Have earplugs.
and if we're doing something that makes dust,
Oh, then you need... It's the pink thing over there. I forgot.
respirator,
A respirator.
mask,
Mask.
or
Or
air filtration.
infiltration.
Air filtration, yeah.
Yeah, this is a funny word. Now, where do I start cutting?
Okay. All right, ready? So now, how do you line up your cut? You want to go straight? Nope. So, now you got it lined up, ready? Now remember, how do you cut with a pole saw?
Pull backward.
All right, so I'm going to hold it straight for you, and I'm going to let you pull backwards. Ready?
After I get one perfect line.
Yeah. Ready? All right, now you got it. Let's see you cut. Now, what did you learn? What's the best way to cut? Using the whole
Thing.
Using the whole blade. Now, what happens if you use the whole blade and you push forward?
Then it won't do anything.
But push forward. Do you get a good cut? Does it cut on the push? It doesn't cut on the push, does it?
No.
But it'll move the blade back in the
Right position.
Oop. There you go.
Oh, no.
You're off. It's okay. Pull. Now, what about your hands?
They should be like this.
They should be like that. One at the front and one at the...
Bottom.
And why?
Because that's...
It gives you better...
Cutting.
Better cutting, yes. That's one of the reasons. Better control. Better control? Better controlling. How about better control?
Yeah, better control though.
All right, keep cutting.
The other episode, it was Daddy doing one of his shoe racks. And then the second video, I was making this perfect thing.
So right here, let's stop for a second. Let's stop for a second and
No.
practice.
It's pull saw.
Okay, no. What don't we do in the shop with tools? What's the number one rule about tools in the shop?
You don't bang them.
No. Don't bang them. Don't wave them. You use them for their intended purpose only. Okay, one second. I'm gonna help you real quick here. Ready?
No. I don't need it. I don't need it.
I love you.
I don't need it.
Stop
No,
for a
I don't
second.
need it. I
No.
don't need it.
Look where you're at. Okay, see, stop real quick. Let go, and I'm gonna walk around to this real quick. Okay, walk around to this side so you can see where you're at. See this right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you want to start right about there where you've got the teeth into it. Now when you pull, you want to make sure that you're either pulling this way to get all the teeth into action, or you can pull, you see how the cut, if you look at how this is wobbling, you're at an angle there, you might want to start pulling it a little bit more so that it's, instead of down, you're more parallel. There you go. Now you can pull it and you can get a motion.
Pole saw day.
Okay. get a motion going where you're pushing, you're pulling backwards on the cut, then you push forward on the track, and then you cut again. That way you go faster.
Papa, play the Mulan 2 soundtrack. Or play the Mulan soundtrack.
I can't.
Yes,
right
you
now.
can.
Not right now.
I'll make a man out of you. Daddy, I'm going to make a man out of you.
I'm sure you will.
I wish one day I could just cut a whole piece of wood.
Okay, now push forward. When you get to the back, don't pull all the way through. Stop it and push it forward and then make the return. So you can go a little bit faster back and forth. That way you can get used to getting the speed. So before you come out of it, stop and then push it forward.
I'm just finding my one.
Because then you don't have to find the hole every time. Okay, ready? Now stop it. Push forward. Pull back. Push forward.
Okay, you have...
You don't have to push all the way forward so it comes out. There you go. Push forward. Back. Forward. It's like rowing your boat. Row, row, row your boat. There you go. You want to do it one more time?
More times than one more.
All right.
Like
So there's
20?
Okay. All right. Let's try to get a straight line this time. Ready? I don't have my pencil. Here. Right here. Okay. Do you have to pull really hard? Do you have to pull down?
No, just
Well, the pulse.
put your hands
No,
off
stop.
it.
Stop.
I just want your hands off.
All right. I want you to go straight though. Okay. There you go. There you go. Fantastic. Now you're learning. Look at that. Forward and backwards. Keep going. Look at those teeth dropping out of that sawdust with each pull.
Soon, one day this will be a kid shop. Oh.
Dope. Ooh, can you hear it? You're almost through. You can hear it. So give it a nice clean push and pull, and it's going to come right off pretty soon. You're right almost at the very bottom. I can see those teeth coming out. There you go. All right.
Can we do another, like...
We can do one more, but what do we say to everybody watching us? Whoa, whoa, stop.
First,
What did you just do to the tool?
I was banging.
And what don't we do with expensive tools?
Bang.
Why not?
Because then...
What don't we...
teeth will go... Ding.
Here, hold it like this. The teeth are at a specific
Angle.
and setup, right?
Yes.
And so if you bang it, what happens to those teeth? What happens to those teeth? If you bang it, do they stay in the spot they're supposed to be in?
No.
So do you bang tools?
No.
Why not?
Because then their thing will move.
Because they can ruin them. There's tools for banging, like hammers. Pay attention. No, stop measuring. That's not the tool you're using right now. Focus. Focus, little one.
2 more angles.
Okay, focus. You just did something I told you not to do. What'd I tell you not to do?
Don't use that.
No,
Don't bang.
don't bang, because you can ruin the tool. And 2, when you're not using the tool properly, what can you do?
You can also...
Hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Tools are only to be used for their proper
Thing.
Use.
Use.
And intended
Piss.
purpose. That's right. So do you use this tool to bang?
No.
Do you use this tool to cut your toenails?
No.
Do you use it to cut your hair?
No.
No. Do you use this to put glue on a board?
No.
Exactly. What's this tool for?
It's for cutting.
And do you use it to cut pushing?
Nope.
You use it to cut pulling.
Pulling.
Okay.
Can we cut up this much?
What's the second most important thing besides safety in the shop? It helps with safety. What do you do with your ears?
You plug them.
You listen.
You listen.
And what do you do when you listen and pay attention?
You're going
You're be successful and
health.
stop with the other tool. Put that tool down. That's
Okay.
not the tool you're playing with right now.
I was just gonna.
Do you play with tools? Let's ask that question. Do you play with tools?
No.
Do you use tools to do tasks?
Nope.
Yes.
Yep.
Tools are for tasks, not for...
Playing.
Exactly. So do you play with the chisel while we're talking about the saw?
No.
No. Look at me. Look at me.
I just got this.
All right. I'm going to give this back to you, and you're going to do what?
I'm gonna do what
You're gonna do what it's supposed to do, and you're going to do it
right.
right and safely. Right?
Is this how much I'm supposed to?
Sure. You can cut that much off. Okay, get a nice scribe line cut. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more.